is Nancy. Starting today, I'll try to cook something that easy for college kids because my son Derek just starting college. So to do something easy, this should take like somewhere in 20 minutes or so. First thing, okay, I'm going to start with 2 cups rice. This is a measure cup, 1 cup. So there's another cup inside. I'm going to butter. So it's like there's like a scale here. It's like a 2.5, and in there the water. Do you see the water level there? Yes? Okay. Any kind of meat you want, okay? So this is salted ham. You can get this in any grocery store. So I'm gonna cut some. How much? This is like it depends. If you like meat, you cut more. If you don't like meat that much, you can less. In package, I like the carrots and green beans. So I'm going to cook this. I usually make the same number eggs with people. If I have 4 people, I make 4 chopsticks because I use this often. You can use fork if you like. Some people use fork, but I use some oil, about 2 tablespoons. Okay, I do this every day. I don't usually measure. If you want to measure, you can. Then I put the salt. I'll put salt in here, less than a teaspoon. So I don't put too much salt. The reason is this is very salty. This is salt ham. You don't want to make too much salt in it. Make sure this is hot when I put the eggs in. Ready? Okay, my pot is hot, so now I can do the eggs. Some people put green onions on the eggs. That's up to you if you like or not. My kids don't like eggs with the green onions, so I'm not going to put it. For me, like about a minute, 2 minutes or so. So the eggs should be ready. I'm just going to cut it. So the next thing is I'm going to cook in the egg. And this is pre-cooked as well, so I don't need to cook long. So now I'm going to put the vegetable inside. And it's a lot of vegetables, but that's good. I'll put a little salt in here because the veggie doesn't have any salt. Then I'll cover up the cover for like about 2-3 minutes should be. I'll add a little bit soup, any chicken soup or beef soup, any soup you want, just a little bit, because it might be dry. If yours is not dry, you don't need to add it. This need to cook like for a few minutes. Make sure all the beans are fully cooked. See, like this kind of moisture, not too dry, not too much water in. Okay, so the rice is ready. So now I'm going to put in the pot, put the rice in the pot and mix it. And meantime, I put the eggs in. Everything's cooked. Everything's cooked and hot. Just stir them together and ready to serve. So everything is. Seems like I need a little more rice. I can put all the rice in because I have a lot of vegetables, so I just put all the rice in, so we're ready to serve. And we have chopsticks. If we don't like chopsticks, we can use fork, spoon. Good food is you can use anything to eat. Now we're ready to enjoy. How is it? Oh, good. I like it too. So next time we'll enjoy. We'll have more good food.